Hi, I'm Kathy, the art teacher from Art Projects for Kids. I'm happy to say that over the years, my website has helped millions of kids learn how to draw. Today's drawing video is about how to draw a Squishmallow. It's kind of a round stuffed toy that comes in hundreds of different characters. I've made up one that's kind of a cross between a cat and a unicorn. It's very easy to draw. Let me show you how. Now before you begin, it's smart to gather your art supplies of a pencil, marker, and crayons. For some extra help, you can also download this free matching tutorial from my website. Making guides on your paper before you start to draw is also a good idea. You just need to fold and crease the paper in half in both directions. You'll have lines that match my tutorial, and they will go away after you're done coloring. Step number 1. The bodies of most Squishmallows are really big and round, so you need to start near the top of the paper and then draw a large curve that goes down and then comes back to the center of the paper. Now watch me as I draw it with my pencil. The left side needs to look like this and match the right side. Start at the top, go down, and then back to the middle and meet up where you started. Check to see that the two sides look like they match each other. Step number 2. Next comes the belly line. It will be really big like this. Start at the left and draw a gentle curve up and then down to the right. Step number 3. Now draw a really large right ear on the top and then a matching ear on the left. Draw an inside ear line on the right and an inside ear line on the left. Step number 4. Now you can erase those extra lines so the ears look like they're connected to the body. Draw a small oval nose right in the center of the paper and then a cat mouth underneath. Step number 5. Add 2 circles for the eyes. They can be about the size of a penny or so. And draw 2 small circles inside for those highlight spots. Then add a couple of lines on each eye for eyelashes. Step number 6. Draw 3 small whiskers on each cheek. Step number 7. Next, add a horn shape near the top of the head. It's got a kind of pointy top and a curved bottom edge. Step number 8. Now you can erase that extra line inside the horn so it looks like it's in front. Add about 4 curved lines or so inside to make a kind of swirl pattern. Step number 9. Okay, the drawing is done, so it's time to trace all of those pencil lines with a black marker. And working slowly will always get you your best results. When you're finished, take a moment to erase any extra pencil lines that might still be showing. If you do color on top of them, they get a little harder to erase. I'm going to use my black marker to fill in those eyes to make them really black. And now the crayons can come out. I'm going to make my Squishmallow cat pink. Coloring slowly and pressing hard will always give you your brightest color. Then pick a fun color for the horn and fill in every other section. Okay, I'm going to fill in my background a bright green. I like how the cool spring color contrasts against all that pink. And there you have it. I would say this Squishmallow is all finished. I hope it inspires you to draw some more of them. They really are some of the cutest and simplest things you can draw right now. As always, I want to thank you for following along with me today, and I hope you've enjoyed this Squishmallow tutorial video. Please check out my website, Art Projects for Kids, for more step-by-step tutorials like an easy how to draw a cat and how to draw a dog. I'll see you next time, and I hope you keep on drawing.